Today I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on your Xiaomi Redmi 14R. First step, open calendar application. No camera, sorry. My bad. Calendar. And tap on day when we want to add our event. We can change view for a month to be easily to add. And tap on maybe 25 and there this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can set about what is it event is and add it to group about what is it, maybe our house, family, work. There we can set when event starts and finish in which time and this day, or we can set it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event start. You can add location of that notification and you can add more than one and custom notification. We can change color about notification to this event. We can add a description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save. And that's all. We have our event in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.